gonna bite you?
No.
Hurry up.
Trust me.
Well, it looks better than before. Hi guys, this is our first harvest of our strawberry.
Okay, mosquito.
Ang dami. That's why I said faster. Because a lot of mosquito. Faster na ko right there. Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, here's your. Yeah. Ayan guys, nag-harvest na. Not that one. Maybe that's good for tomorrow. First harvest namin guys. Sa aming strawberry.
Okay?
Ano namin to? Pang ilang harvest? Pang ano na namin to?
Oh.
Kasi namamatay sila pag winter pero bumabalik sila.
Oh.
What is it? Nahulog?
Yeah.
Nahulog daw, Dad. Nahulog.
Hold.
Nahulog.
Wow. A big one.
Oh, faster lagi kay...
Okay, so very.
Wow, my God. Still, oh, I told you a lot. That's a lot of mosquito. Here, my love, oh. Here pa, oh.
I squeeze it.
Oh, here, oh.
Squeeze one.
Oh.
Don't squeeze it too much, okay?
Ayan pa, guys, oh.
So this one, the bird bite this one.
Don't, me.
No.
Another one.
Here, oh. Agwi this one, oh. Sayang, maninak, mong gipick up nga. Oh, wow, look at this. Pagkagamay. Yahulog mo lagi, nak. Ha? Tomorrow, don't pick it up. Tomorrow, that's tomorrow. Go to your dad. Gi-harvest man sa akong anak ang gamay na green pa.
You need water.
What is this? Gibite sa kwan.
Come.
Ha, you harvest na?
Yeah.
Uy,
The mosquito find around here.
Agay, ginawa ko
Come on,
faster.
mosquito. Come on. Get away from mosquito.
Bukas pa yan.
They bite you, mama.
Yeah. So, ayan. What is this? Groundhog bite
Throw
this.
it away.
Ground.
They bite. Throw it.
Gikaon man daw na sa groundhog or sa ibon.
Mosquito. The
Here.
mosquitoes are flying. Come, hurry up. But the mosquitoes don't bite you.
Ayan, nakuha pa.
Yeah, cabbage.
Where's the cabbage? So, ayan, nag-harvest kami. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full of holes.
Hindi kami nagtanim nga yung
Hurry up, girl. The mosquitoes bite you.
tong year kasi.
Oh, come on. You gotta be-
So,
you
ito,
gotta-
wala ito. Hilaw yan, hilaw. Ito. So, marami kaming nakuha ngayon.
Hurry up. Mosquito.